Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super is out and the Morant Bay fishing village where this gentleman getting ready to do his kite boarding. And if you look out there, way out there in the distance, you see them pulling in one of the kites them. And earlier on, he was out in the water with the kite boarding. So this taking place in Morant Bay. Yeah, right along the fishing village. And we're going to go close because them tell me that it has something to do with the wind. And if you don't have a certain amount of wind, you can't really perform the kite boarding. So I'm pulling in the kite. You have my viewers and stuff, as you can see, I'm pulling in the kite from out of the ocean. So the gentleman here. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I'm pulling in the kite. The viewers and stuff. So we just take a look. Whoa. Look at that. What a big kite. Yeah. Yeah. Indeed. It's a big kite. Hey. I say you enjoy what you're doing.
See, yeah, definitely.
What you call this?
Kite surfing.
Kite surfing. Whoa. It's falling. It going to fall in the water. Whoa. 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 Yeah. So it basically they are shore. It basically on the shore. Whoa. Yeah. It's on the shore. Yeah.
Not so good.
Yeah. I see one of the other gentlemen run gone out there to catch it. So that is beautiful. Wow, that is so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, man. So this is a club, this is a team.
No, just friends.
Just friends.
Yeah.
And all the guys enjoy what you're doing. And it's so nice to see this taking place out here in St.Thomas.
Yeah, St.Thomas. He has all sorts of possibilities.
Yeah, and it's the first I'm seeing this.
Yeah.
Actually seeing this. I see it on TV,
but
I never see it up that close.
Well, he's the pro.
He's the pro. Okay. Okay.
Famous David Lee, the guy who dove to the bottom of the blue hole holding his breath.
That guy there.
That guy there.
David Lee. Some viewers and subscribers, as you can see, it's my first time actually seeing kite boarding.
Yeah.
And I don't know if I pronounce it right.
Well, normally with a little bit more wind, then it's better.
Okay, so
the wind kind of just dies.
Also, what you might need something to test the wind before you put it up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I tested it and it was okay, but now it's coming down. But it might come up.
Okay. So
actually, it's because of these clouds.
Oh, the clouds.
The rain clouds.
Okay, so the cloud them will stop the wind from coming.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So he's hoping to get out now, but it's too light right now.
Yeah, but so, how much year have you been doing this?
Many years.
10 years?
Probably 10 years, yeah.
Whoa, that's a long time.
But it's still a new sport, you know, it's maybe 20 years old, the sport.
Because the one we used to is the one that they hook up to the boat.
Yeah.
You know that one and then pull you along?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I have never seen this one.
Yeah.
And it's always a first time. And I welcome this to St.Thomas. And trust me, I hope you guys come every weekend and do it. You will get a lot of fans, a lot of people.
This would be a nice spot for it, for real.
Yeah. And you have more beaches around that side.
Yeah.
Like if you go around, I can't remember the name of it, Bowling Shore.
Yeah.
You might get more wind around that side also.
Yeah.
Bowling Shore.
Because you can see the wind way on the outside there.
Yeah.
But it's right now not coming in. It was earlier, but I think it's shifted.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. So welcome to St.Thomas.
Thank you very much.
And welcome to the kite boarding. And I wish you guys all the best.
Thank you.
And I'll be here with you guys all day, videoing you. Make St.Thomas people say how beautiful it is.
It's beautiful here.
Yeah, to do kite boarding.
Yeah.
All right, peace.
All right.
So, my viewers and sub, it's a very new sports for Big Super, kite boarding. I have never seen it before live. I've seen similar stuff to this, but not exactly like this. And the gentleman was telling me earlier on that the wind died down, so you need the wind to lift the kite, I guess, so you can board up underwater. So maybe when the wind pick up back, I can speak with this lovely young lady. When the wind pick up back, would you be going out there?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be here all day because I definitely want to see you on the water. All right?